Welcome to the heart of Seoul, Myeongdong. By day, this vibrant street transforms into a bustling hub of energy, colors, and sounds, drawing visitors from all over the world. As you step into Myeongdong during daylight hours, you're immediately greeted by the rhythm of city life. The air is filled with the soft chatter of crowds, the sizzling aroma of street food being prepared, and the bright glow of storefronts lining every corner. Global brands sit side by side with local boutiques, creating a unique blend of tradition and modernity. Walking through, you can't help but notice the endless variety of shops, beauty and skincare stores, each one competing to catch your attention with colorful displays and cheerful staff offering free samples, line both sides of the street. This is where Korean skincare and cosmetics truly shine, making Myeongdong a paradise for beauty lovers. But it's not just about shopping. As the day unfolds, food stalls begin to line the streets, each one offering delicious treats that make it impossible to pass by without stopping. The smell of crispy hotteok, the sweetness of freshly made strawberry mochi, and the savory scent of tteokbokki bubbling in spicy sauce all blend together, creating an irresistible aroma that pulls you closer. Each bite is more than just food. It's a taste of Korean street culture. Daytime in Myeongdong also highlights the architecture around you. Tall buildings with massive digital billboards tower overhead, while smaller alleyways branch off, inviting you to explore hidden cafes, quirky souvenir shops, and cozy restaurants tucked away from the main crowd. The mixture of traditional Korean touches with modern city design makes every turn a discovery. Despite the fast pace, there's also a certain charm to Myeongdong in the daylight. Sunlight reflects off glass windows, creating a warm, welcoming glow. Street performers sometimes take center stage, singing or dancing as curious passersby gather around. The atmosphere is alive yet approachable, buzzing with excitement, but not overwhelming. What truly makes Myeongdong special during the day, however, are the people. Locals rushing to work, students meeting friends, and travelers carrying cameras. Each person adds to the living tapestry of the street. It's a place where cultures intersect, where you can hear multiple languages being spoken in just a short walk. As you continue your journey, you'll notice that Myeongdong is more than just a shopping district. It's a cultural experience, a place where you can immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and flavors of Korea. From sampling street food and hunting for the latest beauty products, to simply strolling and soaking in the energy of the city, Myeongdong by day captures the very essence of Seoul, dynamic, modern, and full of life. So, whether you're here for a quick visit or spending the entire afternoon, Myeongdong Street welcomes you with open arms. By the time the sun begins to dip, you'll find yourself with bags in hand, a satisfied appetite, and unforgettable memories of one of Seoul's most iconic streets.